Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poster on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the website button and go to the poster landscape option next to the calendar. Here, if you want to add the pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload files, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, shapes, stickers, charts, and more. If you want to add text to your poster, just go to the text button and click to the add the text box option. If you want to draft, just go to the draft section and draft to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. And just select a template and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that. You can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. If you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the Rasa Light text style button, and here you can select another text style and font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. And in the effects section, you can add different effects, for example, shadows and shapes format to your poster. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.